A bow with pearls coming up. Hello crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you are free to call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make this classic bow with pearls inside. The best thing about this bow is no sewing machine needed. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let us choose our fabric. I will recommend you to use transparent fabric, especially tulle fabric or organza fabric. I am using tulle fabric for this, and I will recommend you to use stiff tulle rather than soft tulle. As you can see, these two tulle fabric, this one is very soft, it's really soft, and this one is a little stiff. As you can see, even with few layers of this soft tulle fabric, it is too soft that I don't really like the shape after we finish the bow. So I will recommend you to use a stiff tulle fabric like I did here. After you finish the hair bow, it will have a nice and sturdy shape rather than this soft tulle fabric. So I will use a rather stiff tulle fabric. The size is about 40 centimeters by 28 centimeters. You can always modify the size if you are making this for a kid or a baby, like accessories for dress. You may need to use 36 by 24 centimeters. With the 40 centimeters here, I will fold the fabric in half. Let's turn this around. And then fold it about 1/3 part and fold it this way. Make sure that it's even. I will fold it a little here so we can hide the raw edges perfectly. And don't worry about tulle fabric, it won't fray. Now fold the fabric in half, and I will mark the center using a pin, or you can even use a clip, a hair clip, or any pins. Now can see this has a layers of the tulle fabric. Just leave about one layer here, and we are going to pin it right here. Just pin it this way and leave only one layer, and do the same thing, leave only one layer here and pin this part. Now we are going to insert the pearls or beads inside, and I will strongly suggest you to add the same amount of the pearls on the left side, on the right side, so it will be balanced. So this is my pearls. I have a little habit to write the date of the purchase every time I buy something. Now, there's no way to count the pearls one by one. It's really time consuming. So I will suggest you to prepare a small container like this, and you can fill the container with the pearls, and then we are going to put this inside. This is the one layer that we left. You can put the pearls inside, and you can add another pearls inside the container. Put it inside, pour it inside. As you can see, this is only one layer of the fabric here, and this is the layers of fabric. So this will be the inside of our bow, and this will be the outside of our bow. Now we are going to turn the fabric to the back side here. Just slightly the pearls beside a little. Take this out, and we are going to fold the fabric to the center. You can take out the pins. I want to use needle and thread to gather the fabric. If you don't want to use needle and thread, you can scrunch the fabric like this, and then you can tie the fabric. But I want to use needle and thread. So let's prepare a needle and thread. Now make sure that when you sew the fabric, you sew all layers at once. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. If you want to make this as a hair accessories, you can attach a hair clip right at the back side here. Attach a hair clip with hot glue gun, of course. Now let us finish the center. We prepare a fabric, the tulle fabric. The size is about 15 by 8 centimeters. Fold it to the center and fold it in half, and we can attach this to the center. You can use a hot glue gun, or you can even use hand stitch. I would prefer hand stitch. So we attach this to the center and then sew a line here. Remember that you can also use hot glue gun for this. Cut the excess fabric. Now flip it over. That's it. Our beautiful bow with pearls is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye bye.